Hey there, this is Natalie Lucier, and this is a preview video of updates and features and integrations that are coming soon to AccessAlly, and that is coming in mid-December 2016. So if you're watching this before then, stay tuned, it's coming soon, and if you're watching it after, then this is probably already available, so go and check it out at accessally.com. So first integration that I'm super pumped about is AccessAlly plus ConvertKit. That's right, if you use ConvertKit, you'll be able to build your membership site to integrate with tags and automations and all kinds of really cool stuff directly with ConvertKit. So this is something that we've been, so eager to create and build, and now it's finally coming. So if you're on ConvertKit and you want to have an amazing membership site with AccessAlly, then hang on to your hats because we're coming at you. The next integration is really cool and actually goes hand in hand with the ConvertKit integration and with ActiveCampaign. So with these two systems, you don't have a built-in e-commerce like you do with Infusionsoft and Ontraport. So we built our own into AccessAlly, and right now it is going to be integrating with PayPal and Stripe. So you'll be able to take payments directly for your membership site and for your products and courses through AccessAlly, PayPal, and Stripe. So let me show you a little demo to see what it's all about. So in my version here, the payment section is in beta, but once we release, it will all be available for everyone, including people who are using Infusionsoft, Ontraport, ActiveCampaign, or ConvertKit. And the really cool thing is that if you are using a different CRM here, you will be able to integrate directly with your affiliate tracking in Infusionsoft and Ontraport. Or if you're on ActiveCampaign and ConvertKit, you'll be able to just use this and actually have payments happen on your site. So the first thing you'll see here is that we've got a couple different currencies to choose from and a couple of settings. You can also set this up with your Stripe merchant account and with your PayPal Express username as well. Now the other cool thing is the order form settings, so you can choose a different look and feel for these buttons, and we've actually created some templates and some graphics you can take, and you can of course change any terms of service or agreements or any sort of contact us information right here in this section. Now the other cool thing is under styling, just like we do with everything else in AccessAlly, you can style your order forms to match the look and feel of your website. So this is going to be a very simple order form that will take the look and feel of the rest of your site. And as you'll see here in our demo, it's really easy to create this order form setting. So the first thing you'll want to do is you will want to create a product here under AccessAlly products. So in this case, I'm going to demo Ontraport, but this can be done directly for any of the systems that integrate with AccessAlly. So let's say this is my test product, and you'll see here that these are actually products that we created in Ontraport, and the same will be for Infusionsoft. They will just pull them directly from Infusionsoft, including the pricing and information. If you're using ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit, you'll be able to create the product name and set up the price, as well as choose an image here and set up your product description. So once that's done, you just go ahead and save your changes. And then we go on to the offers, which are essentially order forms. So order forms are great because they allow you to add different products. So let's say I wanted to add the product I just created here, and let's say I also wanted to change the thank you message that you'll see here. You can do that right here in this order form setting. You can also send people to a thank you page or show some custom HTML instead of the default template here. And then the really cool thing is that we have this early contact creation. So this is an advanced feature that is built into AccessAlly. So this is cool. What happens is if somebody starts to order your product or your course and then they don't finish their order and something happens, maybe their internet goes out or they get busy and they forget to fill in the rest of the form, you lose their information. But with AccessAlly, we actually already have their name and email, and we add them to your CRM, and then you can apply a tag immediately after they do that. And then what happens is if it's successful, you can add a second tag. So let's say in your CRM, you will actually have a campaign that checks if they have this tag. So it means they were trying to order this product, and they did not get to the success or complete their order, then you can follow up with them over email and capture any of those people who might have given up or had issues with your order forms and get them to come back and actually complete their order. And that is going to be huge for actually, getting a lot more sales and completing orders. So this is the order form. Once we've done that, all we have to do is go into a checkout page and choose our AccessAlly order form that we just created here. So I'm going to go ahead and insert that short code and hit update. Awesome. So you can see this is what the order form is going to look like. I have my little icon, my standalone product, my description, and then people would go in right here and enter their email and their information. And like I said, this is the first step of the checkout, and this will create a contact in your CRM and it will assign that tag that you just selected. So once they click on that first step, they'll be taken to the payment information section. So they'll still see the product that they're purchasing, the total, and then they would fill in all their billing information. And in this case, I'm showing you the Stripe integration, but there's also a PayPal option. So if you have PayPal set up, you could choose PayPal instead here. So people would enter their credit card information and hit pay now. It's going to go ahead and process, and then they will see this "Congratulations, you are now an official member," or whatever text you want to add here, as well as a link to go to the course, or you can change this button text as well as much as you want. So this is the first version of the whole payment feature, and we are so excited to be able to offer this and really handle this. So if you wanted to use Stripe with Infusionsoft, you do not need to use any other plugins. This is just going to work out of the box with AccessAlly, and the same goes for tracking affiliates in both Entreport and Infusionsoft. This will all work through the AccessAlly payments as well. Now, the other cool thing I want to mention is that this is totally configurable. So if you are looking forward to creating products and creating bundles, you can actually add more than one product or offer to these order forms and really play with the whole idea of offering different courses together. So I hope you enjoyed this quick preview of what's coming with AccessAlly. And as always, we are always open to hearing your feedback and ideas for new features, integrations, and things to make our membership site plugin and your business even more awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and see you at the release date.